Imagine a vacuum cleaner that not only cleans your floors, but also cleans itself. Sounds futuristic? Well, the future just arrived. Roborock's new H60 lineup isn't just another cordless stick vacuum. It's their boldest leap yet. And if you think all stick vacuums are the same, wait until you hear what makes this one different. For years, Roborock has been known for robotic vacuums that practically do the cleaning for you. But now they've taken that same innovation and packed it into a cordless stick vacuum. The new H60 series comes in 3 versions: the H60 Ultra, the H60 Pro, and the standard H60. Here's what they all share: a wand that literally bends 90 degrees to help you reach under sofas in tight spaces, a green light that reveals hidden dirt, and a powerful 5-stage filtration system that keeps your air clean while trapping dust. Now, the performance tiers set them apart. The H60 Ultra is the powerhouse. 210 air watts of suction, a massive 90-minute runtime, and even an LCD countdown screen. The H60 Pro delivers 170 AW and 80 minutes of runtime with a slimmer LED display. And the entry-level H60? Still impressive, with 115 AW and 60 minutes of cleaning power. But here's where the story gets really interesting: the H60 Hub Series. This is Roborock's first ever self-emptying stick vacuum. With the Hub, your vacuum empties itself in just 10 seconds while recharging. The Hub Ultra and Hub Pro even use giant 3-liter bags that can store up to 100 days of dust, meaning you could literally forget about vacuuming maintenance for 3 whole months. Even the base Hub model gives you around 60 days between bag changes. So what does this all mean? Roborock isn't just making another vacuum, it's changing how we think about cleaning. It's powerful, it's smarter, and it's finally less of a chore. If you're ready to spend less time emptying dust and more time actually living in a clean home, the Roborock H60 series might just be your next upgrade. Would you try a self-emptying stick vacuum? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart tech breakdowns.